Of all the things, the company that makes the fucking solder equipment fails at the soldering. That is a properly cold solder joint. Both of those actually are, and so is the solder joints on the reed switch are shit as well. The solder joints on the wiring doesn't look very good either. The surface mount stuff's fine. That was obviously done by a machine. Oh, look at this too. This is double-sided board with plated through holes, and they couldn't even be bothered to get these things to wet through. There should be solder visible on both sides of the board. What a joke. I've been having strange intermittent problems with this thing as long as I've owned it. I don't know why I haven't opened it up to have a look. You touch it and it just does weird shit.